How to reset forgotten password on expert option. Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you've forgotten your expert option password and you'd like to recover it, then here is how you do it. First things first, launch open the expert option application on your device, whether you are using your smartphones or tablets. Once you're in this page, go to the bottom left and tap on the register button. Now, this will open up your register or login interface where you need to click login from the top. Now, you'll need to enter your email and password. Click the forgot password link right underneath the password box to recover your forgotten password if you don't remember it. Now, enter your registered email associated with expert option in the text box and click send. Now, you'll receive a verification email. Open it up. Open the email from expert option and click the link where it says reset password. Now on the next page, go enter your password you want to change to. Once done, confirm the password by entering it again in the next field. Finally, click change password. Now you have successfully recovered your forgotten password. Get back to the expert option login page. Next time, go to the email tab under login, enter your email address, and when asked for password, enter the newly updated password. Finally, click login, and there you have it. You have now successfully recovered your forgotten password in expert option application. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.